Number 1.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,900, comes equipped with an automatic transmission and a striking green exterior. The truck is powered by a brand new 5.7L engine, with the receipt available as proof of installation. It also features a Jasper transmission installed at 95,000 miles, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. In addition to its mechanical upgrades, this Chevy includes new rims and tires, upgraded shocks, and refreshed front and rear brakes with new brake lines. The starter, fuel lines, fuel tank, and fuel pump have also been recently replaced, providing added dependability. For utility and convenience, the truck comes with a new spare tire and rim, a Reese trailer hitch, and newly installed tail lights and headlights. A tonneau cover protects the bed, while Z-bar tinting adds both style and protection. Comfort and technology are enhanced by a remote start system with keyless entry, a JL audio stereo system, and a rear backup camera for added safety and ease of driving.
Number 2.
1984 Dodge D150, price $5,000. With only 70,000 original miles on the odometer, this truck remains in remarkably good condition for its age. It features a powerful 318 V8 engine paired with the durable NP435 manual transmission, known for its reliability and toughness. The vehicle sports a striking red exterior complemented by a clean black interior, both of which reflect how well it has been cared for over the years. This regular cab, long bed model retains its originality, including its classic styling and mechanical components. It rides on brand new tires and has been maintained to ensure dependable performance. It starts, runs, shifts, and stops smoothly. Despite a small rust spot, the rest of the body is in solid shape. With a clean title and a history of being daily driven, this Dodge D150 stands out as a reliable and authentic example of 1980s American craftsmanship.
Number 3.
1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,500. This truck shows approximately 184,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in a vibrant red exterior, this classic pickup stands out with its bold and timeless appearance that perfectly reflects the spirit of American trucks from the 90s. Under the hood, it's powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 engine, delivering the strength and dependability GMC is known for. The truck has been upgraded with a rough country 6-inch lift kit, giving it a commanding presence and improved ground clearance for both on- and off-road driving. It sits on a set of Cali off-road wheels wrapped in 33x 12.5 or 20 tires, which not only enhance its rugged stance but also provide superior traction and performance on rough terrain.
Number 4.
1982 Chevrolet S10, price $7,000. According to the previous owner, the truck was repainted in the late 1980s and still presents itself very well for its age. It is equipped with a 2.8L V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, both of which were optional features for the 1982 model year. Showing approximately 115,000 miles, this S10 runs smoothly and remains a solid example of an early compact Chevy pickup. The interior is in near-mint condition, retaining its original charm with an AM radio still in place. Recently, the truck has received several updates, including brand new tires, new brakes with all rear hardware replaced, and a functional emergency brake system.
Number 5.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, well-maintained custom pickup showing approximately 125,000 miles on the odometer. It features a manual transmission paired with a 5.3L engine enhanced by a BTR cam, offering strong performance and reliability. The exterior is finished in white, complemented by a blue interior, and it runs on gasoline. The truck is equipped with a NV3500 5-speed manual transmission and a built 10-bolt rear end with a 3.73 Auburn unit for improved traction. The suspension has been upgraded with a notched and 4-linked rear setup, QA1 coilovers, and tubular components up front, ensuring a smooth and responsive ride. Additional performance and comfort features include a fuel cell, electric fans, and a fully functional air conditioning system. The Chevrolet 1500 also comes with extensive documentation, including receipts and maintenance records, showcasing the attention to detail and care put into the build.
Number 6.
1990 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,500. It features a striking red exterior paired with a matching red interior, giving it a bold and timeless appearance. Under the hood, it's powered by a 5.7L 350 V8 engine that has been swapped and runs strong, delivering dependable performance on the road. The truck has a clean title, ensuring peace of mind for its next owner. This Sierra is equipped with a range of desirable features, including cold air conditioning, a complete and well-preserved interior, electric windows and door locks, and a 3-piece sliding rear window that adds both function and style. It also comes with a tow package, 454 style wheels, and a stepside bed, enhancing both its utility and classic aesthetic.
Number 7.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000, with a 5.7L gasoline engine, automatic transmission, and a red exterior paired with a gray interior. The truck has 246,000 miles on it and remains a strong performer despite its age. It features several recent upgrades that enhance its overall dependability and drivability, including new rear brakes, tail lights, spark plugs, spark plug wires, a distributor cap, rear brake lines, a windshield wiper motor, and a passenger side window track. The truck can also come with an additional set of 6 rims and tires, providing extra value for the next owner. While the vehicle shows some typical signs of wear for its age, such as rust on the rockers, cab corners, and fenders, and the fact that it burns a small amount of oil, please note that the toolbox is not included in the sale.
Number 8.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500. This truck is a well-maintained classic pickup with 154,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It sports a bright red exterior complemented by a burgundy interior, giving it a timeless and bold appearance. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 5.7L gasoline engine that runs great and provides dependable performance, true to Chevrolet's reputation for durability and strength. While the truck shows normal wear and tear expected from its age, the interior remains impressively clean and well kept, reflecting how carefully it has been maintained over the years. It currently needs a driver's side door handle, door latch, and mirror, but overall, it's in good running condition.
Number 9.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,900, powered by a 5.7L V8 Vortec engine and an automatic transmission. With 290,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs strong and uses gasoline. The truck features a red exterior, gray leather interior, cold AC, and power windows, locks, and mirrors for added comfort. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, spark plugs, plug wires, ignition coil, distributor cap, rotor, and replaced brake lines, calipers, and hoses. The rear brakes were also cleaned and adjusted. While there's a slight whine from the power steering pump, it operates normally. The original leather seats show wear, and the body has a few dings, dents, and rust spots. Despite cosmetic flaws, this 1998 Chevrolet 1500 remains mechanically solid and reliable, ideal as a daily work truck or restoration project.
Number 10.
1998 Chevrolet 2500, price $2,500. The truck is a sturdy and reliable pickup that has traveled 241,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck showcases a gold exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a classic and timeless look. This 2WD model is powered by a strong 7.4L engine, known for its durability and impressive towing capability. Although it has been sitting for the past 2 years, a fresh battery has recently been installed, and the tires remain in good condition. Overall, the truck is in solid shape and maintains the rugged performance expected from a heavy-duty Chevrolet 2500.